Wow. That's a big storm, Daddy. That's huge. Huge. Oh. That's huge. Hi guys. This is I don't know. I'm just making a video of the storm. It was really big a second ago. The clouds are really dark for a second. Then they went over there. Right over there. The lightning was close. Anyway, I was just making a video of a small bit of the storm. It was also hailing a second ago. I saw the hail there. There's still thunder. And there's a fly on the inside. Looks like it's full. I just said that. Anyway, it's very stormy. Anyway, that was just a quick thing. A storm just passing right by. Severe thunderstorm warning. Anyway, it's still thundering right now. If I'm gonna record this whole storm, I'm probably gonna be recording it for like 20 minutes. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.